two major hosting platforms, one burning question: which one actually stands out? On the left, we have Hostinger, known for its budget-friendly plans and speed. And on the right, InMotion Hosting, famous for reliability and customer support. Let's set aside all the flashy marketing and get into what really matters. We'll break things down category by category, tallying points along the way so you can see who truly takes the crown. And trust me, the outcome might just catch you off guard. So here's the game plan. We're comparing these two on price, performance and uptime, features, customer support, security, and of course, usability. Let's dive into each one and see who's really delivering the goods. First up is price, and honestly, Hostinger just hits different here. We're talking some of the lowest entry prices out there. Seriously, those 90% off deals are wild. You get a free domain, SSL, even daily backups. But the catch: you'll need to commit to a longer contract to lock in those crazy rates. InMotion's pricing, it's a little higher to start off, not gonna lie. But on the flip side, their renewal rates are very transparent, and they even give you like a 90-day money-back guarantee, which is not something you see every day. Discounts are there, but yeah, not Hostinger-level discounts. If we're being real, Hostinger wins the price round. Moving on to performance and uptime, two huge things for anyone who just wants their site to, actually load fast. Hostinger promises an insane 99.99% uptime with data centers all over the world. You get built-in caching, HTTP2, NGINX. It all sounds super impressive, but sometimes shared plans can dip a bit depending on the traffic. InMotion tries to fight back with their own challenge. Enterprise-level max speed zone stuff, fancy ultrastack servers and advanced caching, plus a rock-solid 99.9% uptime. Thing is, you'll get the very best performance if you bump up to their higher-tier plans. Hostinger takes the edge again here. Global reach and those guarantees are just tough to beat. Let's talk features for a second. Hostinger flexes with a modern, AI-powered website builder, lots of one-click app installs, over 90 unlimited bandwidth and storage for most plans, even a free CDN on the higher tiers. Only thing is, if you want super technical developer tools, you might find it a little basic. Now, InMotion, it's old-school reliable, cPanel interface, unlimited NVMe storage on most plans, tons of one-click installers, over 400 options, SSH access, and their own bold grid builder. You do miss out on a native Cloudflare CDN, and honestly, the interface can feel a touch dated if you're used to flashy dashboards. This one's basically a tie, both rock awesome features, it just depends if you want sleek and modern or classic dependability. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Hostinger actually manages over 29 million websites around the globe. Meanwhile, InMotion Hosting, they've had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau since 2001. That's some serious street cred, right? Alright, on to support, because nobody wants to be stuck waiting when things go sideways. Hostinger does 24/7 live chat, and honestly, their team knows their stuff. But yeah, sometimes the wait is a bit longer than you'd like. InMotion steps it up big time. You get 24/7 support too, but with live phone, chat, and email. Their team is based in the US, especially good if you want quick solutions. They're fast, solid, and even have a separate account management panel to make life easier. InMotion wins customer support, no question. Security and reliability, this one's pretty close, but let's see what's what. Hostinger gives you free SSL, DDoS protection, and automated daily backups. That covers most of what a beginner might want, but you might need to upgrade for a few advanced backup options. Then there's InMotion, which basically throws the kitchen sink at security. Free SSL, malware protection, account-level security, SSH, WPCLI backup tools, the works. The winner here, InMotion, it's just a bit more enterprise level and you feel it. Finally, let's talk usability. Hostinger's interface is as modern as it gets. Seriously, anyone who's even a little bit afraid of cPanel is going to love how beginner-friendly this is. You sign up and boom, you're good to go almost instantly. Now, if you're more of a power user or you just prefer the classic cPanel look, InMotion's got you covered, plus some really handy management panels. But overall, the interface just doesn't feel as fresh compared to Hostinger. Hostinger wins the usability round. So when you put it all together in a side-by-side comparison, you see where both hosts shine. Visualize that for a sec. Each category, each strength, Hostinger and InMotion both have some standout wins. Here's my honest take. If you want the absolute lowest price and a fresh, easy-to-use interface, Hostinger is pretty hard to top. But if you're all about top-notch support, pro-level security, and more business tools, InMotion's definitely the way to go. You can't lose with either, they just fit different priorities, so pick what matters most for your site. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.